The money is automatically converted to Philippine pesos, even though it is on United States dollars. And if we refresh our PayPal account, so we can see it's zero here on my PayPal account since we already withdraw it on Gcash. On my cell phone. Okay, so by the way, if you have any question, you can message me on m.me/unboxsolutions. That's my messenger account. Or you can go to unboxsolution.com/FAQ for frequently asked question. And I'm logging into my Gcash account now. So as you can see, my balance on Gcash is only 22.88 pesos. So to cash in from PayPal to Gcash, so you can see my balance here on my PayPal account, and here is my Gcash account. So to cash in from PayPal, to transfer that money from PayPal to Gcash, just click on cash in. And by the way, make sure that your PayPal is already connected to your Gcash account. So choose PayPal to Gcash. Okay. So here you can see my balance is when that's the amount, the same as this one. So here, so first click or check the currency or from where the money will be coming from. And since Gcash has no charge for cashing in from PayPal, just type in the whole amount here so you can withdraw the whole PayPal balance. And then click on next to confirm the payment or the cash in. So now let's confirm this one. So PayPal is processing. So now it's 1:38 p.m. Okay, the same date, June 27, and the cash in via PayPal is completed. So you will also receive a message from 2882 or Gcash. And if we check here, we will also receive an email from PayPal that the payment has been successfully completed. That's 100 and close that. So let's check our Gcash account again. Oh, there. The money is automatically converted to Philippine pesos, even though it is on United States dollars. And if we refresh our PayPal account, so we can see it's zero here on my PayPal account since we already withdraw it on Gcash. And you can also see the transaction here. So since the money is already on my Gcash account, using my Gcash physical MasterCard, I can withdraw the money on any BankNet ATM nationwide. So that's all for today. Again, my name is Dennis. Thank you for watching and have a great day.